Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty, one product at a time. If you're someone who craves voluminous, long lashes, I think you're going to appreciate today's review. Let's talk about L'Oréal Paris Makeup Voluminous Original Volume Building Mascara, Blackest Black. This mascara is a staple in the beauty industry, and for good reason. It promises to give your lashes up to 5x their natural thickness without the dreaded clumps. But does it really live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. So, what exactly are we dealing with here? This mascara is designed to give your lashes a dramatic lift, creating full, voluminous lashes that are evenly coated from root to tip. It's got a volume-maximizing brush that ensures smooth application without any clumping. What I love most is that it's specially formulated for sensitive eyes and is safe for contact lens wearers. That's a win in my book for anyone with more delicate eyes or a hectic lifestyle. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. I've been using this mascara for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, I was impressed with how easy it was to apply. The brush is designed to coat each lash evenly, and I didn't find myself needing to go back and add more layers to get the volume I wanted. The mascara goes on smoothly, and it doesn't dry out or flake throughout the day. I applied it in the morning and wore it through a full day of work. No smudging, no flaking. By the end of the day, my lashes were still holding their shape. The texture of the mascara is on point, not too thick, not too watery. It gives you just enough product to work with, and as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't clump, which is something I always look for. I really appreciate that it didn't weigh down my lashes either. I could still see a nice curl after application. But there's one thing I will say. If you're someone who likes ultra drama, you might need to layer it a couple of times to really see that intense volume. For more natural full lashes though, one coat was more than enough for me. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the mascara does exactly what it says on the label. It thickens and builds up lashes, creating a fuller, more voluminous look. I also love that it's designed for sensitive eyes, making it a great option for anyone with irritation issues. The easy application and smooth finish were definitely standouts for me. On the downside, if you're someone who's looking for extreme drama or a super bold lash look, this might not deliver enough intensity in one go. I also noticed that while it didn't flake during the day, I did have a bit of smudging after a long day of wear. Not too much, but enough to be noticeable. When it comes to value for money, I think this mascara is definitely worth its price. It's not the most expensive mascara on the market, but it offers a great balance between quality and affordability. You're getting a formula that works well, lasts through the day, and is gentle on the eyes. If you're someone who has sensitive eyes or wears contact lenses, this mascara should be a go-to in your beauty arsenal. I do want to touch on alternatives though. If you're looking for something with a similar volume-boosting effect, but at a lower price point, there are other drugstore brands that offer similar formulas. That said, I think L'Oréal Paris really hits the sweet spot in terms of value, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend swapping it out unless you're looking for something very specific, like a waterproof option. As for the build quality, the packaging is pretty standard, sleek, compact, and practical. It's easy to throw in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. And as far as longevity goes, this mascara should last you a few months without drying out, making it a solid choice for daily use. To wrap it up, L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Original Volume Building Mascara definitely delivers on its promises of voluminous lashes. It's reliable, easy to use, and suitable for sensitive eyes. While it might not give you the ultra-dramatic lashes some might crave, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for full, everyday volume. If you've enjoyed this review and found it helpful, be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on future beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest insights into the latest products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.